today this afternoon we would like to express its view regarding the matter related to the ongoing agitation and the clarification given by the Honorable VC NEHU on Thursday 17 August 2022. The agitation started on the 1st June 2022, suspended on 15/6/2022 as requested by the first committee, which later on had to resume back its agitation on the 18/8/2022 till date, as the NEHU authority has failed to provide the written assurance with regards to the status report of regularization and implementation of equal work for equal pay. It is the union representative who has suggested that dealing assistant in the committee to engage some of the casual workers for compiling the data if needed, so as to make the work progressive, not as stated by the PRO Sri Davidson Lyngdoh. Regarding the clarification, I will hand over to our Vice President to give in detail regarding the pay clarification.
And according to the NEHU official, they have stated that casual employees include 553 unskilled, 625 semi-skilled, 734 skilled, and 806 highly skilled workers, where the monthly of pay of these workers is rupees 19,202, rupees 21,443, rupees 24,004, and rupees 26,936 respectively, whereas as per the RTI filed by the legal advisor of this union, the statement made by the NEHU authority is incorrect, and the total number of these casual workers working in NEHU who are directly appointed by the NEHU, they are 323 from Shillong and 39 are from Tura campus. And the monthly pay of these workers who are working both in NEHU Shillong and NEHU Tura. For unskilled, it is 16,380. For semi-skilled, it's 18,510. And rupees 21,720 for skilled categories, and for 23,850 for highly skilled categories respectively. So if these numbers of workers who are working in NEHU, as per stated by the NEHU authorities, there are a total number of 1,912 employees. So if these total number of 1,912 employees are working or are existing in NEHU, the question is, where is the money go? And further, the NEHU had also stated in the press release that these different categories of workers also gets 30% of EPF and 3% of ESI benefits, whereas the truth is the EPF that these casual workers are contributing to the NEHU is 12% and ESI is only 1.75%. So 1.75%. This is the only clarification that we want to give you.
So furthermore, from our side, we would like to clarify regarding in one of the press note given by our respected VC, it said like from our union side we have been changing charter of demand time by time. So regarding that, we would like to clarify to everyone, including our respected VC, that there's only one charter of demand from our side. The only charter of demand being sent by the workers of NEHU was on 29 April 2022, and after that all the letters been sent, they are part and parcel of the charter of demand. After that, we have sent other letters like the provisions we requested university to provide safety kits to workers, like mask, glove. Like as far as we know, collection, data have been collected that many of the workers have to do clean with bare hands. So including the sanitation workers. So from our side, we have demanded university for that, including health insurance. as far as collect data we have collected, those workers who have crossed 20,000, they're not getting any ASI scheme or any health insurance scheme from NEHU. That's mean anything happen, mean they have to bear their own medical expenses. If anything happen, including those accidents happen in the workplace. And one more thing also, in the press release and press conference given by our respected VC, that he said there are 3 letters he have sent to university and received by the negotiation committee. But to be frank to you, the negotiation committee was constituted on the 8th July 2022. And prior to that, there's no negotiation committee. And we are also against the negotiation committee, since the negotiation committee couldn't fulfill any demands put up by the workers. And there's no clarification to what happened, and we don't know what we're about of it. And in the recent press conference given by BBC, we were informed that the data collection of workers is going on. From our side, we wanted to know from university side, where have you reached? How many workers have submitted their documents, and how many of them be collected by the university, technically by the administration of university. Until now, we found out that there's no collection of document in university. From the administration side, never issue any notice to any workers to submit their birth certificate, maybe like they're joining anything. We found out that there's no database in campus. The university never kept any database of any workers, even those who have been working more than 25 years or so. The only database we can find out right now, I think it's only from cash department. And in a recent RTI being filed by the union side, we found out that NEHU never kept even a single data of any workers. So we don't know how did, like, with respect to VC, how did he said, unlike the mission side, Mr. Ivan, that AR admin said that the data collection is going on. If it's going on, so what happened? Where is the about of this data collection process going on? And from this, we have other issues also, like which really affects the stomach of our workers. Since many of the workers, casual workers, may need to be appointed by university without any labor contractor, any different contractor. Since many of them have been part of decision, the first one they started from the 1st of June till 15th of June. And after 15th of June, we had the suspension of our decision. From the 18th of July again, we had the decision till today. So we found out the university, it's going against the welfare of the workers. The reason is that notice have been issued to the respected administration of NEHU from our side. Everything been laid down in labor law which govern the workers in India and labor law in India. We have been served notice prior to the happening of the protest and the decision in hunger strike. But we found out today that university have stopped and blocked the salary of the workers for the month of July, even till now also. So regarding also, it really affects the stomach of the workers. They are demanding, they're coming up because their rights have been exploited. With all respect, in the speech of our Honorable VC on the 15th of August, in the last Independence Day program, he said that this issue has been pending for 30 years. We understand that. We from our side, the worker side, understand that this issue is not a matter of joke. 30 years, such a long year for them. But the thing is that we want to be clear. We want proper clarification. Whether it can be done or can be done. And as per the press conference given by VC last week and appeared in newspaper also, that the regulation is under process and university will go as per the government of India rules. But from our side, we want to know which are those government of India rules, because there's so many government of India rules, there's so many judgment, there's so many notification and office order issued by the OPT Delhi. So from our side, since many things are there at the moment, so let me go back with all respect to our members regarding the equal pay for